Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Vizag. So today in this class, we will discuss the syntax of CSS, like how we can give the like CSS styles and what are the syntax we have to follow. So all these things we will discuss in this class. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the class. So as you see, this is my USS CSS files folder. And here you have to create a new file, which is syntax.html. And here I will write HTML5. HTML5, you will get the basic structure of HTML. And here title I will write syntax of CSS. And here I will write the tag P. And I will write here, welcome to the CSS classes and discussing about the syntax of CSS. And I'll write another P, scatting, style, shapes. So I wrote two P tags, which means paragraph tag. So for this P tags, I have to give the styles. So where you have to give styles? In the head tag. In the head tag, just specify tag style. And here you have to give the styles. You have to give the style. So it's a selector, right? So just you have to write dot p. Okay, we are getting some error. So we are getting some error, right? So we have to specify. We have to specify the property and the value. Property and the value. So color I will give some red and text align, text align, align, center, text align. We will give text align center. So instead of comma, you have to give the semicolon. And here also you have to specify the semicolon if you want to give another property. So here we have to discuss the syntax, right? So here, here I will discuss. So P is a, let's start. Let's write like this. Just P is a selector. P is a selector. P is a selector. P is a selector. So it is called a selector. Like what are the paragraph tag which you have given, right? So to give size to the paragraph tag, you have to write here P. So which indicates this you are giving the styles to the paragraph tag, and here it is called P is a selector. P is a selector, and you're having the property column value column var. value. So inside there will be property and the value. Inside there will be property and the value. So this is all about the syntax of the styles. So here P is a selector. So whatever the tags which you want to give the styles, you have to specify it, and you have to give the property and the value to that selector. Then this P tag will include this color red and text line center. So all these things will be come in the center. So this is all about syntax in CSS. A simple example. So let's start this program. Just click F5 and click on web app, and so we did not got remote, last remote quotes. So just refresh it. See, we got the styles, right? We got the styles. You have to remove the single quotes. We have to remove the single quotes. So we got the required CSS syntax, like we have discussed the syntax, right? So here P is selected, and we are having the inside there will be the property and the value. So this is all about syntax in CSS. I hope you understand the video. Simple class about syntax. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the chat. I will help you out. And if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video. And please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.